My name is Amira. I have a company called Aligned Play. What made me want to buy the Dropship Breakthru course was honestly Ben. He talked me into it. They give you so much knowledge in the podcast, and they're not trying to hide anything. I mean, it's just free information. And then I just realized, like, okay, they're giving so much great information on a podcast. If I was going to take the course, imagine what kind of information and content they would give. And so I was really excited to get going. And the course is just amazing because coming from someone who doesn't know anything about the e-commerce world or building a website or anything, it's literally like very simple instructions that built my entire store and my entire company. So I love that step-by-step guide, holding your hand the whole way. It's amazing. It's the greatest community of people. That's, I think, the best part about it. The Slack channel is like a lifeline. You know, if you are running into trouble, you have an issue, you have a question, you can post the question and within minutes you get the answer. I've definitely experienced some breakthroughs in taking this course, and I think it was less about business and more personal. When you become a mom, you kind of lose yourself, and this course and being able to find this creativity outlet and this way to make extra income for my family and just do things for myself was really a breaking point for me to realize, like, okay, wait, I'm not just a mom anymore. Like, I'm a human and I can create not only amazing kids, but an amazing company. And I think that is really powerful. Anyone is a great fit for this training. I really think that because the course is so easy to follow, that anybody can do it. This course is a step-by-step guide to building your company and your pathway to success and freedom. Dropship Breakthru is the best thing that ever happened to me.